Namaskar, my name is Raghav Maheshwari and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revolution Make It Simple. In this, I am starting a series on Indian geography that I will deliver through maps so that you can have a very good grip on the topic. In this video, we will try to understand and analyze the political map of India and its evolution since its independence from Britishers in 1947. This is the third and the last part. If you have not watched the first two parts, please watch before coming to this. The links for the same are in the description below. So without any delay, let's begin. सेकेंड पार्ट में हमने देखा कि हाउ पंजाब बाइफरकेटेड इनटू हरियाणा एंड यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ चंडीगढ़. अब हम देखेंगे नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया की स्टेट्स मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा, मेघालय, मिजोरम और अरुणाचल प्रदेश कैसे फॉर्म हुए. Leaving the princely states of Manipur and Tripura, all other states that we see today were part of the original Assam state. 1969 में मेघालय एज एन ऑटोनोमस और सब स्टेट क्रिएट किया गया by separating the Garo, Khasi and Jante hill districts by Assam Reorganization of Meghalaya Act. 1972 में पहले की मणिपुर और त्रिपुरा और अब की सब स्टेट मेघालय को स्टेटहुड का स्टेटस मिला एज 19th, 20th and 21st states respectively by Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act of 1971. 1972 में ही लुसाई हिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, जिनको मिजो हिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स भी कहते हैं, इनको असम में से अलग करके सेपरेट यूनियन टेरिटरी बनाया गया जिसका नाम किया गया मिजोरम. ऑल्सो अरुणाचल प्रदेश, originally known as NEFA, that is North East Frontier Agency, was created as union territory to check the Chinese aggression. बाद में 1987 में मिजोरम और अरुणाचल प्रदेश को भी 23rd और 24th स्टेट बनाया गया. सो ये था पूरा प्रोसेस इन 5 स्टेट्स के बनने का. ये है असम का मैप. दिस इज अरुणाचल प्रदेश, दिस इज मणिपुर, दिस इज मिजोरम, दिस इज त्रिपुरा एंड दिस इज मेघालय. अब हम देखते हैं सिक्किम को, जिसको जन्नत भी कहा जाता है. Till 1947, it was a princely state under Chogyal. 1947 के बाद it became a protectorate under Indian government. That means the Indian government take the responsibility of defense, external affairs and communication in Sikkim. 1974 में by 35th Constitution Amendment Act, it was given status of an associated state. In the next year, that is in 1975, it became a full-fledged 22nd state by referendum and consecutively by passing 36th Constitution Amendment Act. यह है सिक्किम on India map. In the year 2000, 3 more states were formed. Chhattisgarh from Madhya Pradesh as 26th state, Uttarakhand from Uttar Pradesh as 27th state, and Jharkhand from Bihar as 28th state. From their respective parent state reorganization acts. There were many reasons for the separation of Chhattisgarh from Madhya Pradesh, like undivided Madhya Pradesh was the biggest state of India. Managing this huge area by a single institution was a tough task. Second, electricity distribution was also a major problem. Third, uneven distribution of jurisdiction was another reason of partition. Fourth, uneven distribution of the institutions of higher education and institutes of national importance. Fifth, Chhattisgarh part was mineral rich area but never developed as a industrial zone by the state government. Lastly, railways and road transportation was also in the pathetical condition in Chhattisgarh. Uttarakhand, separated from Uttar Pradesh due to indistinct geography, social identity, and culturally different people. Jharkhand separated from Bihar because Jharkhand was always distinct in terms of geography, history, culture, language, socially, etc. Besides that, it was people's movement to have a state who can preserve their identity. Now let us see the creation of 29th state. In 2014, 10 districts of the southwestern Andhra Pradesh were taken out to form Telangana with the capital at Hyderabad by Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014. This is Andhra Pradesh before 2014 and this is Telangana which was taken out from that. Recently, on 5th August 2019, the state of Jammu and Kashmir was reconstituted and two new union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh were formed with Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir having a unicameral legislative assembly. This was done by passing Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. On the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a pioneer role in integration of India, this act came into force. A resolution for repealing Article 370 and Article 35A of the Indian Constitution, which were related to Jammu and Kashmir special status, was also passed in the parliament. This is the map of Jammu and Kashmir and this is the map having union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Now let us have a look on change of names of various states and union territories from the year 1950. United Provinces was renamed as Uttar Pradesh in 1950. Madras was renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969. Mysore was renamed as Karnataka in 1973. In the same year, Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Andaman Islands were renamed as Lakshadweep Islands. Delhi was renamed as National Capital Territory, that is NCT of Delhi in 1991. Uttaranchal was renamed as Uttarakhand in 2006. In the same year, Pondicherry was renamed as Puducherry, and in the year 2011, Odisha was renamed as Odisha. I hope you found this video informative. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. धन्यवाद and Jai Hind.